In order to begin choosing your classes, click on Select a Course. This will show all of the options for that category at your home campus. Let's go through some examples. I will use social science as an example. Once you click Select a Course, you will see several different types of courses. Let's go through each one. Here at the top, you see Archaeology. It says TBA, Online Async. This is a class that does not have days or times or a classroom. The entire class is conducted through a website. You will never have to come on campus, and you will never have to be available at a specific time. However, there is an assumption that you have consistent access to high-speed internet and adequate technology. It is not a self-paced course. You will still have to submit assignments based on the deadlines that the teacher gives you. Here we see Ethnobotany. Notice how this one has days and times. M is Monday, T is Tuesday, W is Wednesday, R is Thursday, and F is Friday. So this class will meet every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9:15 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. However, notice that the classroom is online. That means that this is a class conducted via Zoom. Let's continue. Here we have Econ 130. In this example, you see that the class will meet every week only on Thursdays from 12:15 to 1:30 p.m. It also notes the campus, the building, and the room number. But why does this class only meet once a week? That is because this class is a hybrid class. Here, if I click on Expand, notice that there is more information for the course. As shown in the comments, this is a class where there are asynchronous online activities in addition to in-person activities on campus. There is one more kind of class. Here we see Human Development. This class meets every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10:45 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Kapiolani College campus, Olona Building, room 208. You click on Expand and can confirm that this class is an in-person class, a traditional class that is conducted on campus. If you wish to take a class that is in person on our campus or hybrid, then you will see a health restriction hold until you have completed all of your health requirements. Please make sure to submit them as soon as possible so that you're able to take all the classes that you'd like to take. For every class, also make sure to click on the Expand button to confirm how the courses are being taught and to read important messages from your teacher. Once you find a class that you like, click on the bubble and move on to finding your next class. Once you have selected the courses you are interested in, click on the blue Check Out button. Now, the courses are pending in yellow in your shopping cart. Only the courses that are pending will be submitted when you click on Submit. Your final step to register is to click on the Submit Add Drop Classes button to confirm your registration. Notice that you will have to make sure and complete your pre-registration checklist in order to be able to do so. If you see green check marks and the words registered, you're in the class. Once you're officially registered for your classes, you will see your tuition on the top right of the screen. Click on View Pay to confirm the breakdown of your cost. You will also have access to the textbook link under the 3 bars. Keep in mind, textbook information may not be available until a month before the semester begins. We hope this allows you to get started on looking at your classes for your first semester. You will need to complete English and Math placement and submit your health clearances to register for many of the classes. Class registration should take into consideration visa status, military VA benefits, financial aid, and personal circumstances. All students should be meeting with their academic counselor at least once every semester to ensure that course selections are optimal and accurate. We hope to see you at our advising and registration session to confirm your registration and answer any other questions you may have.